Good morning, everyone. So I welcome you all in a Sapience Education. So we are here for solving for question number 5.7 of the work energy power. So let's discuss at first what the question is saying. State if each of the following statement is true or false. Give a reason for your answer. So step by step we will discuss every question. So let us consider question number A 5.7a. In an elastic collision of two bodies, the momentum and energy of each body is conserved. So if they are saying that elastic collision, it is your elastic collision. So we have studied that in an elastic collision, momentum, kinetic energy, total energy of system remain conserved. Of system remain conserved. But what they are telling? They are telling that each body. So no, definitely we always talk about system, not each body. So our answer will be false. So it has an answer of false. I hope you have understood. Now I will talk about question 1b. Total energy of a system is always conserved no matter what internal and external force of the on the body are present. Definitely it is a false, because total energy is always conserved when no external forces are present. But here it does see if external force will present, then no system will conserve. Okay, total energy always conserved when no external force are present. But if external force are present, then system will not be conserved. But here they are telling it does not affect. So definitely statement B is false. Now I will talk about statement C. And is C, the work done in a motion of a body over a closed loop is 0 for every force. Work done in a motion of a body over a closed loop. Work done for closed loop. Work done for closed loop is equal to 0 for only conservative force. Conservative force. It is not applicable for non-conservative force. Conservative force, for example, gravitational force. So non-conservative force, if we will talk about non-conservative force, so it will be frictional force. Okay, I hope you have understood now. Now it's part D. In an elastic collision, the final kinetic energy is always less than initial kinetic energy. It is true. Why true? Because it is, first of all, it is in elastic collision. If it is in elastic collision, then the initial velocity is not equal to final velocity. After final velocity, it means that there is a loss of kinetic energy. There is loss of kinetic energy. That's why kinetic energy, whatever it is initial, it will always be greater than kinetic energy at final. I'm talking about inelastic collision, not elastic collision. So because in elastic collision, kinetic energy is not conserved. Okay, So loss of kinetic energy happens. This loss happens when the why this loss happens? Due to heat energy dissipation. Heat energy dissipation. Dissipation. Okay. So whenever a object 1 and object 2 both will collide, so and both have an inelastic collision, then there is a loss of kinetic energy. I hope you all have understood this reason. Thank you everyone.